Runway 13 right, on a point, traffic lines on the crossing runway. South 2638, fly runway heading, maintain 3000.
Runway heading 3000, Southwest 2638.
Envoy 3338, when able, make left turn and exit runway 13 right on hotel runway 13 left. Envoy 3338, ground point niner.
3338, we're off on runway 13 right at hotel.
Envoy 3338, I need to cross 13 left at hotel and pull over in the hotel pad and let me know when you're ready to copy the numbers.
Copy that. We will cross runway 13 left at hotel and we will pull off and we'll be ready to copy Envoy 3338.
Tower 2683, which frequency you want us on?
So 26 to 83, let's keep the right turn going, heading 180, and then it'll be departure approach on 134.45, please.
All right, right there, 180, 3445,
Thank you.
That was 2683, so was a reasonable go around anything I did?
No, nothing you did. There was a plane that took off on the other runway.
Alright, sorry about that, and expect I'm going to try to keep you about 10 miles final. You're going to be following company traffic, about 12 miles final right now.
Okay, thanks.